Hello dear friends, in the last class we discussed about the sucking insect pest of the cotton and the remaining insect pest of the cotton, that is cotton bollworms. I will teach you in the next class, but today I will teach you only the sorghum crop and their insect pest. Actually sorghum scientific name is Sorghum bicolor, and this crop is also affected by the various insect pests. Now here I will discuss only the major insect pest of the sorghum. First, soot flies, stem borer, earhead bug, sorghum maize, and last one is pink stem borer. These major insect pests I will discuss one by one. Sorghum soot fly. Its scientific name is Atherigonia succata and its family is Muscidae, the same families of housefly. And order is Diptera. In Diptera order, all the true flies and midges they comes. And their immature stage is called maggots. Symptom of damage means which type of symptom we can see on the sorghum crop that is affected by the sorghum soot fly. First, the sorghum soot fly they lay cigar shaped eggs and singly on the lower surface of the leaves. And most important point about the sorghum soot fly is that this insect comes in the crop when the crop is 30 days old. Okay, when the egg has the maggots come out and they starts entering inside the main stem of the sorghum, and inside the stem they make the tunnels and feed, and they cut the terminal portion of the sorghum also. Because of that, the central shoot they are showing the wilting, and that stage is called dead heart. And next, the sorghum that is affected with the sorghum soot fly always produce the more side tillers. This is the picture. Here you can see the dead heart in the central shoot. Next, how to manage the sorghum soot fly. There are the different practices the farmers adopt to control the sorghum soot fly in their field. The most important practice that is early sowing of the sorghum crop. This is most important. The farmer should go for this practice is early sowing. The soot fly multiply maximum after the monsoon, and that's why I am saying the farmers should go for the early sowing, means before the onset of the monsoon they should sow their crop. And second, the farmer should treat the seeds with the imidacloprid. And next, the farmers, if they are going for the direct seeding, they should take always extra seed. And if the farmer going for the transplanting, then they no need to take the extra seed, but in the nursery they should remove the damaged seedling that is affected by the sorghum soot fly, and then they transplant the healthy seed in the field. And after harvesting of the sorghum, they should go for the plowing and remove and destroy the stubbles. Now most important practice that is set up the fish meal trap. This trap is used to attract the adults, or we can say fly of the sorghum soot fly, and this is installed in the field when the crop is 30 days old. And at last, the farmer goes for the insecticide application, that is methyl dimethoate neem seed kernel extract. Next insect is stem borer. Its scientific name is Chilopartellus, family is Pyralidae, and order is Lepidoptera. As the name indicates, stem borer means insect that make holes, or you can make bore holes on the stem. Symptom of damage. Which type of symptom we can see on the sorghum that is affected with the stem borer? First symptom, as the name indicates, stem borer means the larva after hatching from the eggs enters inside the stem. They make the tunnels or eat the internal content of the stem. Because of that, wilting or drying of the central shoot occur, that is known as dead heart. and on externally we can see the bore holes on the stem that is near to the nodes. And next, this next symptom of the stem borer is that the newly opened leaves, we can see the short holes, or we can say pin size holes. In the next slide I will show you. In the third picture you can see the short holes. And in the first and second picture we can see the caterpillar that is attacks on the stem of the sorghum. In the first picture you can see the bore holes on the stem. Then management means how can we manage the sorghum stem borer attack. For the management of the sorghum stem borer, we should remove the stubbles during the winter season, or we can say burn the stubbles. Next, dead herbs should be pulled out and used as a fodder or burned in the manure pits. And for the intercropping, for the management of the sorghum stem borer, we should go for the intercropping, that is lub or dolichos. And we should set up the light trap to attract the moth of the stem borer. And these are the biological control agents we should use in the field to control the stem borer, that is Trichogramma chilonis. It's a egg parasitoid. Then larva parasitoid, they are the bracken chinensis and the Apentalis flavips. These are the larva parasitoid we should use in the field to control the sorghum stem borer. And after that, go for the insecticide application. Next insect is earhead bug. Its scientific name is Calocoris angustus and its family is Meridian, order is Hemiptera. Name is earhead bug, means the bug that attack on the ear of the sorghum. Identification of the pest: the eggs, they are blue, cigar shaped and laid under the glumes or into the middle of the floret. Most important point about the earhead bug is that this insect comes only when the crop is at the flowering stage. Okay, and they lays eggs in middle the florets. Names: they are slender, green in color, and the adults, the male is green in color and female is green with brown margin. These are the cigar shaped eggs. Next, symptom of damage, means which type of symptom we can see. As the name indicates, earhead bug means hemipterans, means suck the juice, means nymph and adult both suck the juice from the grains when the crop is at milking stage. Because of that, the grains, they shrinks and they turn into the black color and showing the chaffiness also. Management: for the management of the earhead bug, these are the following insecticide we should apply: the carbaryl, malathion, neem seed kernel extract, sprayed twice with malathion. Next insect is sorghum maize, most important insect, that is Contarinea sorgicola. Family is Cacidomidae and order is Diptera. As I told you, all the true flies and mazes, they comes under the order Diptera. Symptom of damage, means which type of symptom we can see on the sorghum crop, that is actually sorghum is they attack on the grains. They lay eggs on the grains, on the inflorescence. Because of that, the pollen shedding take place, and in the grains the white pupal cases comes out from the grains. This one also we can see on the grains, and the grains, they become chaffy with the holes. Management: for the management of the sorghum maize, we should